In this video I will show you how to check out from review.openstack.org and make some change and push that change back again to the review.openstack.org for review. Okay, let me go to this patch 65381. This is in review.openstack.org. Actually this part is submitted by Dinesh, this user. So this is actually not my change, but here what I am going to do is I want to actually he made some change here but he forgot to add test script, so I am going to add test script for this patch. So I will show you how to do that. Actually this is Python keys OpenStack Python keystone client project. So first I need his change, the change what he made, change what here. So first I need this change, then I will add test script for this change and push that code to post it back to review.openstack.org. So let me go to the command prompt, go here, okay, let me create one folder with for this user mkdir less. Okay, so first I need source code of Python keystone client. So go to GitHub OpenStack, then go to Python keystone client. From here you will get the link, copy that here and do git clone. Okay, done. ls go to that cd Python keystone client directory. So in this folder, so if you git branch, only one branch, master branch, if you do git remote -v, there is only one remote origin. Okay, so this is the latest Python keystone client. So let me go to this patch. So here I downloaded the latest source code of latest Python keystone client. Then next what I need is I need this change in that repository, right? So what I have to do is here you can do checkout. So let me copy this line, this command. So if you click here, that will copy it to clipboard. I copy that and paste it here. Then at the end of this we need to add a branch name -b, for let me give it like the test branch. Test branch. press enter. Here you can see from this branch switch to new branch. So if you run this command git branch, you can see our new branch, test branch. So right now I am in test branch. Okay, so if you do git show, you can see that change. This is the change what he made. That's how that's what here. So that change you can see here. Comment with that change. Okay, so I'll logit log trade log. This is consistently support keyword across all v3 CRUD manager ops. That's what this change. So I go this change here in this test branch. Okay, then what need to do is, so we got that. Okay, then what we need to do is, so if you want to know more about, you can refer this wiki page. There you can see all step what we need to do. Okay, so one step, so I done this thing. So next step, I want to add this grit here. I do not run this command. If you go to close that. Okay, OpenStack. Here. In this page, we need to install this git review. So that already there. I installed that. Then I have to run this command git review -s. Git review checks that you can log into Git with your SSH key as you have. So these things I already done. If you not done this, just read this documentation. So I need to run this command. So right now I created a new branch, test branch. Then if you run git remote, right now there is only one remote. So if I run this command git review -s to create, give my launch git username. Okay, let me check remote. So you can see one more remote, Jirit. Okay. Okay. So after that, if you are working on an old repository, you need to update your repository. So for that we need to run these commands, because right now I am not going to run this thing, because I checked out the latest source code of python-keystoneclient. So I'm just skipping these things. Okay, then I'm just leaving that. So okay, then next what I need to do is, so I have the latest, I have this change, the changes, I have this change in test branch, right? So next so I want to add my test script. So if you run git diff, there is no change. So let me, I already coded this test script, let me apply this that patch. So I have diff, so patch -p0 slash diff enter. So it's very control C, think p1 do that. Okay, applied the patch. So this is, I added this test script. So if you do git diff, you can see the diff. So the next step, we need to push this change. So before push, you need to you should run this run tests minus run test. So this will ask for, you want to create a virtual environment. If you give yes, it will create a virtual environment, it will do all testing. So I already done that. So this patch is perfect. So right now, so now I am not going to run this one. So let me skip that one. So then I want to commit this change, this test script. So I have, so what I am going to do is, I am going to append this change, the change I made, the script change, to the last commit. So git log this commit, this change. So I want, because the test script what I added is a part is for this commit, this change. So I am going to append my change to this commit. Okay, so to do that, for that we need to run this command git commit minus. So before that, just note this change id, atc, and commit id cf9. Okay, it come for I'm going to commit it, commit minus a minus minus amount, sorry, 90. So you can see the message of last commit here. So I'm not going to change anything, I'm just saying okay. So it's saved. Let me confirm it if nothing, and let me, so before that what was the cf9 and atc. So right now let's just check that. So commit id is changed, but change id is not changed, that will not change. Okay, okay, I think it's done. So if you do git show, can see the change. Okay, so let me clear this one, if nothing. So the next step what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this change again back to this review.openstack.org. Let me refresh this. Okay, so okay, this was the, this is the last comment here. These are the files. So let me push my test script code, git review, and enter. Okay, done. So let me go here and refresh. You can see the test script changes here. Here author is not changed, the not changed, but committer sajuptpm. Earlier it was like this. Sorry, again refreshing, we can't go back. Okay, because okay, leave it. Okay, committer this Saju, my name. Then here we can see uploaded patch set 3. Okay, okay, so it's done. So let wait for, let me wait for the review. So in this way you can check out one change from review.openstack.org and make your modification. Then you can again push your code back to the same URL in the review.openstack.org. Okay, so if you want to know more about this git, you can see the documentation here. Index review openstack.org documentation index, just here. Just go through that. all this step I documented here. So I will post this URL in the description of the YouTube video. Okay. Okay. Okay, bye.